Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'll be talking about laundry mistakes that we make while washing our clothes and that can turn into a real nightmare. Putting white or light color clothes with dark color clothes could result in transferring colors on your light color clothes. So it is important to sort out your clothes properly. So if you've got a print on a shirt and you think it will fade away, then you better turn that inside out. And if there's a simple basic t-shirt, then you can let it go just like that. Not checking our pockets can result in losing something of value while washing our clothes. Even tissues that we leave behind can leave residues on all the clothes after washing. Not pulling up zippers can end up ruining your clothes as they can get stuck inside the washing machine. Button up those jeans as well because they can get stuck inside the washing machine and can ruin other clothes. Button those shirts as well because they can get it stuck inside and can create a problem. Tired of losing one sock every time you wash your clothes? Try using mesh bags and never lose them again. Using too much detergent can have an opposite effect on your clothes and it can make your clothes look dirtier. Remove those stains as quickly as you can. Just don't scrub them, soak them for a while with a detergent. Overloading your machine can cause your laundry not to be washed properly as your clothes need space to move through with the detergent. Don't let your clothes stay in the washer for a very long time. That could result in your clothes smelling bad. If you don't give your machine a wash, bad odors can develop and that could make your clothes smell bad. Clean your filter area every now and then to avoid any molds developing. Towels should never be washed with your synthetics. They should always be washed with other towels. Never use fabric softeners for them. They make them less absorbent. You should avoid using excessive bleach. It could be really hard on your clothes. To make your laundry routine effective, you need to complete your laundry tasks daily. Don't let it get out of hand or it can actually become a nightmare. I hope these common mistakes can help you save your money and your clothes. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.